3 days. We're gonna be kayaking and camping on this joker right here. It's gonna be a good time. So here's our plan. We are parked here at Smith Bay Backcountry area. That's where we're leaving the truck. We're gonna put in here, and for the next couple of days we're gonna paddle down this side on the Kentucky Lake side, in and out of these different bay areas, and just wherever we find a good place to camp, that's where we'll set up. So that's the plan, and yeah, let's do this. Water is chilly. Oh, and we are moving, son. Holy moly. Yeah, you gotta kind of push yourself off the shore. Like I said, the plan is to spend the next 3 days or so out here messing around at Land Between the Lakes, and we're going to paddle around, for right now, the Kentucky Lake portion. Of course, Land Between the Lakes, there are 2 sides, and it's exactly that. It's some land in between 2 lakes, Lake Barkley and Kentucky Lake. And we are currently on Kentucky Lake. Just put in at Smith Bay, I think. And we're going to leave the vehicle there while we just mess around and kind of explore the area. We're going to do some fishing and some camping. We got some good food to eat tonight. Normally we're bacon. Kayla says bacon. Bacon is exciting. Because normally we're backpacking and, you know, trying to be careful about our weight, but these kayaks let us take a couple of luxury items, so that's gonna be fun. We're gonna eat good tonight.
And I got donuts too.
We got a cooler on board, and it should be a good time. Hopefully we'll find a good camping spot on the shore somewhere, and the wind won't get us, or the cold, because it's supposed to be a little chilly. So, good stuff. Woo. I think we're getting, oh yeah, it's shallow.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm touching the bottom. Oh great, so now we're going to be paddling against the wind. This wind out here is brutal, y'all. So this wind out here is brutal. You want to get to the other side? We're going to have to get to the other side. Yeah. Big old limb up there. I was wondering why the waves were starting to break so bad. Oh, these jokers are big. Oh, GoPro down. Oh shit. Woo! Well, that was that. I'm gonna take the camera down while we navigate this shit. You're alright. Waves are choppy. Makes me nervous about my camera. But it's fun and it's pretty cool. Shame not to get it on camera, right? So this is our setup here. We figured this is kind of out of the wind. We're in a little kind of nook off of the bay here. We got this big hill blocking all that wind coming from the main lake. And we got some trees to hang the hammocks and a little spot to do some fishing. So this is where we're gonna hang out tonight. Set up early, get lots of firewood, some rest, and get up early in the morning and do some exploring.
What'd you do? Drop it in the water? Ah.
So the sun has started to go down, and I spared you guys the boring part of us doing some work at the campsite, but we'll show you what we got going on this way. Oh, got the kayaks out here, and hammocks are set up back over there. War Bonnet Superfly. That's some wood processed and ready to go. Fishing poles are out. Getting ready to hit this look over here. Kayla, do anything? Yeah, really exciting. Let's get a fire started. I'm hungry. She's going good.
Yay!
Fire's dying down. It's about time is 8:48. Really pretty night. Nice and clear. Full moon. Full moon. We've ate. Dropped all of our hot dogs in the fire. We still ate them. Ain't got no shame. Fished a little bit. And had a pretty good fire, but we're getting ready to go to bed. So, yep, we're going to bed, and
Good night.
Oh, slept good last night. Slept warm. It's not too chilly this morning. Check this out. It's not a bad thing to wake up to, huh? Water actually looks a lot calmer than yesterday. Got good visibility. See way out there. Cool. Cool. Get some breakfast going and get back out on the lake.
Can I try that?
Sure. A little muscle milk for breakfast. It's a little tiny, little weird.
Aftertaste.
Yeah. Good though. Try to make some bacon and eggs this morning. Yummy bacon. Turkey bacon, but bacon. So everything's packed up and ready to go. Packed up in the kayaks. A little breakfast fire is out. But weather's beautiful, but the wind's back. And as you can tell, the lake is nothing but white caps. And this isn't even the main part of the lake. This is just the bay. So it's gonna be rough going this morning. I think we're gonna stop at this campground over here and fill up our water so we don't have to filter anything, just to save some time. And, yeah, we're on our way. It's about 11 o'clock. We'll paddle for a couple of hours and do it all over again. So I don't know how rough the water is going to be. If it's super rough, I'm not going to do a lot of filming because I'm filming on my phone, and I don't want to lose my phone. My GoPro actually fell off of the mount yesterday, and yeah, the battery's almost dead on it already. So I'm going to be using my phone for the rest of the time that we're out here, and yeah, I don't want to lose it. So don't hate me, but there may not be a lot of footage, but I'm gonna try. It just depends on how rough it is. So, all right, let's roll. Got everything? Yeah. That's rough, buddy. wind's a little too intense, and the swells are so large that we're just not getting fighting against the wind. So we've actually had to somewhat make portage here, and we've walked the kayaks about 300 yards down the shore and into this kind of inlet area for now, so that we can cross here. Granted, it's really fun being out there, but it ain't doing us no good because we're not going anywhere. So we did cross. We crossed over there, across the bay, and once we get over to this side, our vehicle is actually parked right up here. We are going to load the kayaks up and go to the other side of Land Between the Lakes, to Lake Barkley, and see if the wind is not any better over there. Because it is just brutal. I mean, we just can't make any forward progress. It is a beautiful day, though. And got my white legs showing, rocking the shorts. Alright, let's do this. So, we've decided on Taylor Bay. Good old grass carp. But Dan, it's got a shell in it. I caught a shell. That's first. Oh, yep, that's my finger. I love it. Ah! God damn it. I had a good hit. Oh yeah. Damn, man. Get him. Oh, look at this. That's a throw.
Oh.
Tell them what we're doing, Kayla. Tell them what happened.
Well, I can't. The water is too choppy. And we are on our way. Is that? Okay. We are on our way to a hotel room.
So, what's going on? We
can't
paddled
find a place
around.
to stay.
We paddled quite a bit, actually, around that last bay that we were at. And the wind was relentless, and we could not find a campsite out of the wind.
No, it was bad.
Nothing was
Very
suitable. There was nothing. So, the other side of the bay, that bay is kind of split into two by a landmass. The other side of the bay, we got to a point where we could kind of peek over the sandbar, and there were white caps all over it. It was like ended up paddling back to the boat ramp where we put in at. Did find a camping spot and made a command decision that we are going to come back when it's not spring and it's not windy. This place is awesome.
It's pretty
But
place,
I'm exhausted just from fighting the wind. Literally, we would paddle forward. If you stopped paddling, it would push you backwards. Super tired right now, so I'm on vacation. We're just going to
go relax.
We're gonna go stay at this little cottage, get some good food, and just hang out. Because it's too windy. I guarantee that the wind gusts out there are every bit of 20 miles per hour, and yeah, just not fun. It's taking the fun out of it. So had a good time last night. Had an awesome camping spot. Had some fun paddling, fishing. So we got one good night in the backcountry, and I think we may try to do our original trip that we were planning this weekend. So I've got the rest of the week still. We're just gonna call it quits for the evening and go get a hotel and enjoy that. So we're gonna do that. Yay! Food.
So bye for now.
Our food is
Our
here.
food's here. So we're hungry. That is like bacon stuffed.
It's a stuffed burger. Bacon and what?
Bacon and
Cheese. Some type
and
of cheese.
onion
And this is new. It's a pizza burger. Time to eat.
dig in.